All right, so it looks sunny out, doesn't it? But it's been raining since fucking Friday. So I'm gonna go see if I can finish this freaking patio today. All we gotta do is backfill it. But it was hailing yesterday, so we really couldn't do that much. So I'm gonna go pick up Concho, and then we're gonna go out there, and then I will show, this guy's got a hot tub, right? We did some work for him. Never been used, sitting in the backyard for 4 years on his deck. Still got the box of parts inside underneath the cover. So, this guy's weird. He said, I want a paver pad, 8x8. I said, okay, I'll do it for you. And he said, do you want the hot tub? I said, sure. So now he said, after I do the 8x8 paver pad, which we've got it leveled, we just got to set the stone, the block, whatever you want to call them, pavers. Then he said he's going to buy another hot tub and put it on there. This guy's off his rocker. I don't know what's going on. He's a nice guy, but seems a little fishy to me. Suspect, I guess you could say, in 2023. So anyways, let's go see if we can get both these freaking jobs done today. That would be great, because that's about, they owe me $4,200. So that'd be great to get that money today. All right, see you later. Mr. Mac Salad. My indigenous guy, Concho. Hey, Concho, are we gonna finish this fucking job today?
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed? Both jobs, right?
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed, he said. And Concho says guaranteed. That means he's not doing his rain dance today. He wants to finish. No rain dance today, right, Concho?
No rain dance.
No rain dance. Okay, we're finishing this shit today. That's it. Mr. Mac Salad, out. And Concho. Finishing this up. Concho is backfilling. How's that working out, Concho?
Beautiful.
Beautiful? Say it like a prairie.
Just like cowboys and Indians.
All right, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so we put a little concrete in here so we can put my fake asphalt stuff down in there. And then we're just gonna, you know, backfill it with the topsoil. I'm gonna put this rock right here on the corner. Maybe over there in that corner. That one needs to go down. All that rain. I think that rain hurt us a little bit from that right there. Look, no gutters. No gutters. So probably 2011, maybe 2012, these steps rotted out. I changed them. Then last year they rotted out again. That's how long I've known these people, because no gutters. And I've told him, but he doesn't want to, I don't know, he doesn't want gutters. And up there, so I got a little, all that rain comes down, washes it all away. But anyway, so we'll fix it. And then once we get this backfill, we're gonna probably sand the rest of it. And then go to the other one. Right, Concho?
Yep.
This one done and the other one today. Okay. All right, we're out of here. Concho, say hi.
Hi. How? Oh.
I get to see me getting in trouble because he'll be like, he's not an Indian. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He's not no Indian. Well, they should be banned. You should be kicked off YouTube. This not no guy. So this part you can see went down a little bit, and right above it is the valley where all the water comes from off the roof. Right there, bam, and that's where it took out underneath. Told them they need gutters. You notice that's cold patch. Next to the driveway, I put a little form in, and what happened before was the tree, the roots popped up the asphalt. There's a couple bushes right there. In the other videos, it shows when I ripped them out. So I put a little 2x4 form, put some of this cold patch in, see if it works. They are getting a new driveway eventually, so they weren't too worried about it. Okay.
Where's that front at?
There what?
What? Whoa. I walked in the shower.
Well, because you let
I leaned out against you.
Yeah. Pancho would have been putting his leather skirt back on and running around with the horses.
What are you?
I've had tampers. How many tampers have I had? 3? I bought 3 tampers and who knows where they go. Somebody needed them more than me. Wait, when I've bought, I don't know how many tampers and rakes, and I don't know where they are. I mean, I have a bunch of rakes now, but I need more tampers. Someone keeps stealing them. You do from, look at that. See where it lines up?
Yep.
So, here we go. We did a little backfill. We did a little patch repair. We're going to let that sit in there till next week. And here's the final. A little accent rock. Did all this. But you can tie it over there. It's sunk. And right there. From that. Right, Concho? What's it from? No gutters, man.
From.
No gutters. Your soda pop. Here.
Cochise.
Throw this on the side.
Cochise.
Do we have a bag of trash in there?
Yep.
Watch it, watch it. Oh, jeez. All right. So we're out of here. Patio 1. I need some lens cleaner. Now it's probably worse.